KonMari Folding Part 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pal Skills. Today we will be learning how to do KonMari folding with long sleeve t-shirt, short sleeve t-shirt and trousers based on the teaching of Marie Kondo. So let's get to it. We're going to do the trousers first. You take it out like this. That. You flatten it out on the table or anywhere flat like this. You take the bit closest to you, fold it to the other side. Then you flatten it again. This. If this bit is sticking out, then fold it like that. And you half it once. This. That. And then you fold it into thirds. Like that. Then you should be able to stand up like this. Then we take short sleeve t-shirt. You do the same. Make sure it's flat like this on the table or anywhere flat. Then you fold it into thirds. So you would do like this. Flatten it. And do the same to the other side. That. Flatten it like that. Then you would take the weaker side, which is the top bit of your body, and fold it in half like that. Then you would fold it into thirds like that. Then you should also be able to stand it up like that. Then with long sleeve t-shirt, you undo it like usual with every type of clothing and make sure it's flat on the table. Then you would do the same process with the short sleeve t-shirt. Fold into a third. Yes. But then you make sure you take the sleeve, you fold it like this. If the sleeves are longer and they go like over the bottom of the t-shirt, then you should take it to the end like this, the t-shirt, and fold it in like that. Then do the same to the other side like that. You fold it in a third. Then do the same to the other side like this. Like that. And flatten it like that. Then fold it in. Then you fold it in half like that. And again in thirds like that. Then it should sound like that, like the others. Like that. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, thank you for watching my channel Pal Skills. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.